Monaco, where we can park close. And where you have the car show on the street. 12Cilindri. But he parked closer yesterday. But he has controlled 12Cilindri there. And he will actually have two FX, no, not FXXK, I mean SF90 Stradale, no, what's the name? SF90XX. It's another one under here. So it might be delivered tomorrow. Some nice houses. Let's see. Patio Palace. 4 rooms, 8 million euros. Yeah, why not? Bit expensive maybe. 2 room, 2.4 million euros.